Hi friends, today we are going to discuss how to determine the number of locations in clean room and how to identify the clean room grade using NVPC. This is also one of the part for clean room qualifications, so don't miss it. This video is very interesting. If you are first time here, please subscribe our channel. Welcome to PHARING, a channel of pharmaceuticals. I am your Shaktivel. The first one, how to determine the number of locations in clean room. Based on ISO 14644, part 1, number of locations are already specified up to 1000 meter squares. For the area above 1000 meters, the below formula we need to use NL is equal to 27 into A divided by 1000. This formula is applicable for only non-viable particle count. NL is equal to minimum number of locations. A is equal to area of clean room. In this formula, 27 and 1000 is a constant value used to determine the required number of sampling location above 1000 meter square. For example, if the clean room area is 2500 meter square, then NL is equal to 27 into 2500 divided by 1000. Finally, we will get the answer 67.5. As a rounded value, 68. Therefore, the minimum number of location is 68 for 2500 meter square. So this is a way used to identify the number of locations in clean room for NVPC. Now we have one clean room and we already calculated the minimum number of locations for non-viable particle counting. The next step, we need to identify the class of clean room area. For example, ISO 5 or ISO 7 or ISO 8, we don't know. For that purpose, we are using the another one formula. Vs is equal to 20 divided by Cnm into 1000. This formula is used to estimate the minimum air sampling volume per location. Vs is the minimum single sample volume per location. Cnm, N indicates the ISO class, M is a particle size. So Cnm is the class limit of considered particle size of specified area. 20 is the fixed reference value used in ISO 14644 to represent the expected particle count at clean room class limit. Now let us see this with a simple example. Estimated class range ISO class 5, particle size 0.5. For 0.5 limit 3520. Vs is equal to 20 divided by 3520 into 1000. Finally, we get the value 5.68 liters. So 5.68 is a required minimum sample volume per location. Now, please consider a clean room around 24 meter square. As per guideline, 24 meter square means 6 location, minimum 6 location we need to monitor the non-viable particle count. After completion of the NVPC monitoring, we get the value, for example, 21, 24, 0, 7, 22 and 25 for 0.5 micrometer particle size. In previous time, this NVPC monitoring was performed in cubic per feet, but now the current guideline, this NVPC monitoring formula was applied in cubic per meter. So we need to multiply these all values with 35.3. Why 35.3? Because 1 meter cube is equal to 35.3 foot. So based on that, finally we get the value 741, 847, 247, 777, 883. As per guideline ISO 5 0.5 micrometer particle size, the limit 3520. These values are complies as per the ISO guideline for ISO class 5. Likewise, we can able to determine the sampling locations and sampling volume and limit everything by using these two formulas. Remaining so many formulas is there, but these two formulas main in ISO 14644. I hope you all understood about that. If you are like this video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for future videos. Bye.